Hi guys, I pray you are doing well. So today I'm going to show you how to make lemon tea scones using a sandwich maker. Please stay to the end of this video so that we can do this together. So here are the ingredients. We have sugar. This is a quarter cup of sugar. We have 2 eggs. We have milk. This is like a quarter cup also. We have a quarter cup of cooking oil. You can use any oil or margarine or butter. This is 1 cup of all-purpose flour. We have baking powder and our lemon essence. So this is what we are going to do. This is our mixing bowl. We are going to put our eggs, add our sugar, then mix properly until everything is mixed. If you have a hand mixer, even the better for you, because it will speed up the process. So as you can see, everything is mixed. The egg and the sugar has combined very well. So we add our milk, then our cooking oil, then our essence, teaspoon, and then also mix well to combine everything. Now we add our baking powder to our flour. We add a half a teaspoon. Don't add a lot. And mix to make sure everything is mixed well. So the next step, you are going to sieve your unga. We put half of our flour and mix and sieve, Now this will help to remove any dirt or any lumps, to help you have a smooth and a good consistency. Mix well. So then we sieve the rest of the flour. Now we are going to finalize the mixing. Now in case you mix and it becomes very thick, you can add milk or water if you don't have milk. We just need a thick consistency, but not overly thick. So I think I'll add some milk. So I'll add in portions also, so you also then don't end up having a light mixture. I think this is done, nicely done. As you can see, it's a good consistency. So brush your sandwich maker with oil to avoid the sticking. Then add your dough. And let it cook for 4 to 5 minutes. They are very hot, please be careful. This is how they look, and very hot. When you grease your sandwich maker, it is very easy to remove. They have no problems. And so we are done, guys, and I hope you try this recipe. This is the final result. Please let me know in the comment section down below how it goes. This can be a wonderful snack, and you can also have this in the morning with your tea or your juice. And yeah, and life gets easier. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for your amazing comments. Thank you for inviting others to come and watch our videos. May God bless you for being a good family. So this is how they look. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.